The STARTRC Mini 4 Pro Sun Hood is tailored for DJI RC2 and RC controllers and fits several Mini, Air, and Mavic models, so one accessory can cover most of your compact DJI fleet. Its deep, adjustable shade dramatically cuts screen glare in bright sunshine or on snowy ground, making it much easier to see fine details while framing shots and monitoring telemetry. The design works seamlessly with a neck strap to keep the controller at a comfortable right angle, reducing hand fatigue during long flights, and making the screen feel more like a steady monitor. Beyond blocking light, the hood folds over the remote to shield the display, buttons, and control sticks from scratches and scuffs when you toss the controller into a bag. A hinge that swings through a wide range of angles lets you fine-tune the shade for different sun positions and gives a bit of privacy from people nearby trying to peek at your screen. The kit includes the hood, mounting hardware, and lanyard, so you can install it quickly and head straight out to fly without hunting for extra parts.